morning, you absolutely beautiful viewers. Hopefully you're all doing well today, wherever you're watching. As you guys will probably know from my social media, I bought a super sick Renault Clio 182 a couple of months ago. Did actually buy this car to give away, but it was so sick that Mr. John couldn't stop driving it. About probably 200 horsepower, so it doesn't sound like massive horsepower, but when you combine the fact that it's super light and it handles literally like it's on rails, I can't lie, this is one next level little car. I think over time it was probably just burning a little bit of oil. You know, the engine was over 100,000 miles, 110,000 miles, and unfortunately as it's come off a sort of big corner doing like Mach 10, that little sort of tiny bit of low oil meant that the oil pickup got starved of oil, and unfortunately the bottom end started knocking. Sounds pretty f***ed to me. Very kindly, a good friend of mine called Toby, who's in Essex. He's got a super sick business called Rolling Rims. He does alloy wheel refurbishments for the most part. We're en route to him now with a couple of his friends, and they're very kindly going to help me take out the Clio engine today. We're going to probably have a little inspection, see if we can sort of see what's going on. Yes, boy! You're back in the ML movies.
How we doing?
What are you saying,
ML movies.
Right, James, baby. You ready for this? It was the finest baguette I've ever bought. Let's see what John's done. What a dickhead. Carbon bonnet. Little carbon splitter. It's a sick car, man. Brand new Sparco Evo seats as well, and yeah, obviously Neil's all painted this in like a sort of Cusco blue and stuff.
I've had mine like 6 years.
Yours is turbo though?
It is at the moment. We'll turbo on at the moment, yeah.
How many powers are you going for?
I don't know yet, I'm tuned it. Still stock engine, 250 to 300. Yeah. We'll push it hard. It.
I mean, this with 200 brake is mad. If you're going for like 250 with your turbo one, 300. Next level.
They are good fun. I can't fault them on track. Just a car you can go and kick the head in. Obviously, if you've got oil in it.
Shut up, you. I had a few lift-off oversteers in it, but it's very actually controllable. Yeah. Look at this. What a beast. Dreams have just entered the building. What's these now? 100 grand? The boys are just pushing out Toby's drift car.
Electric, this one.
Just gonna have a quick little look at Mitch's R34. Look at that, man. Does look lovely. I call them brides, but I think they actually are pronounced brid. Nice and clean interior. Nardy steering wheel.
I'm a responsible adult.
Trying to film and concentrate. Pretty sick as well. Mitt's actually like an airlift performance supplier. Is it the right terminology? Yeah.
Hello.
And you do installation. Yeah. And this is the first i30 on the planet?
In the UK.
In the UK. That's on bags. And I believe these are a 2-litre turbo, aren't they?
Yes.
We definitely didn't just Google that. That's cool. But this is cooler. Come on. We're not sure if it's actually cams in, if they're like aftermarket or if they're 197, but it's definitely got a lumpy idle. Maybe it's got like, they do like group end timing and stuff, don't they?
Time, which gives you that idle.
For the most part, the motor's sort of stock. Obviously, it's got an exhaust system and a decat. I imagine around 190, 200 horsepower.
Yeah, something like that.
It does need a few little bits as well, so it'd be nice. We can take the engine out. We're going to try and mint up the other block and obviously do a refresh. John got so excited by this. Kept ragging it.
5 minutes later.
Right, Clio's on the ramp. First up, we're just taking off the ram air filter. That's the fuel rail cover. Had brand new brakes in as well. A few little heat spots from a bit of John action. We've got PBS pads. Pretty cool as well. This is Tobes just showing us what's inside. You've actually got ECU Master Black.
Yeah.
Is that an ADU?
Yeah, it's a big 7-inch screen.
Nice,
and that was it on the way to get some fab work done.
That's all the bottom parts done. We're just going to start doing some of the ancillaries from the top. Right, next up, Mitch is just undoing the steering rack. We're going to try and sort of leave the loom in place, aren't we?
That's the plan.
As much as we
can. I
can.
remember we'd have taken one out when I was younger.
That's Mitch's business. Reference air suspension. Look at that, man. It's crazy, isn't it? Literally on its arse. Can you drive it like that? No. No, that's just right for parking it up.
Yeah, yeah, the wheels are actually as far in the arch they'll go, so the weight of the car is on it. So
Okay.
yeah, no, it won't drive.
So that's for just like solid hard parking. Yeah. So you could actually do this all from your phone. Oh yeah, mad. Okay, crazy. It's a whole new world to me. To be fair, you don't actually, I mean, you lose naffle boot space.
So what we've got, spare wheel and everything's still underneath.
So that's your little compressor.
Yeah, so that builds up your air for your tank.
Pressure and stuff.
Then you've got this side, everything that controls it.
Oh man, so yeah, little air. Is that like a sort of control module?
Yeah, yeah, that's all like the control module.
And that's just a tank for.
That just holds, yeah.
For the air.
5 minutes later.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you remove a 182 motor. Well, everyone's going to watch this and start ringing you up with their Clios.
No, they won't be.
So that's pretty much it for the Clio action. Obviously, we're going to go out in Mitch's R34. Hopefully, Chris come down in the JZX. And then you've already dropped the other engine we bought at Alex's.
So we'll strip this one down later. Just take it off the subframe pretty much, drop that down to Alex. He'll do the belts, the phaser, everything he needs to tie them all up.
Yeah, cool. Then we can rob all the ancillaries off this one, swap it all over. And then in a couple of weeks when I'm back from the LZ thing and you finish doing your bits, because you're quite busy next weekend, aren't you? Yes, bad man.
Low boost we run 426.7.
And that's at the fly.
Yeah.
And then high?
Yeah. High boost was a bit hit and miss. We keep spiking at 1.6, which is like 480, 490.
Okay, so just on a 500.
Yeah.
500 brake, nice man. Pleasure. Savage JZX, bro. Honestly, that R2 is next level.
Good driver, isn't he?
Yeah,
good driver, yeah.
It's John.